Salloum Twins.
Hi everyone! Today we will do pizza from scratch. Let's go! First we will preheat the oven. Mommy, can you please do that? First we will add 1 cup of warm water. Now we will add active dry yeast. Now we will add white sugar. Mix it and leave it for 10 minutes. Now we will prepare the pizza sauce. Let's go. We will add the tomato sauce. Yummy! We add the tomato paste. We add oregano and basil. Now we'll put garlic powder. We'll put a little bit sugar and salt. Now we will mix. Now the yeast is ready. We will add olive oil. Now we will add the salt. Now we will add flour. Mix. Mix it in the machine. Now we will knead the dough. Now we spread the dough. Now we add the sauce. We'll add corn and olive. We add green pepper and meat. Now the pizza is done. Mommy, please put it in the oven. Let's go. Bon appétit.